Hello, this is SideMind. Welcome to a new video. In this video, we're going to go over how to share your homebrew with other members of your party on D&D Beyond. So here, the first thing to note is in D&D Beyond there is your homebrew collection and your homebrew creations. So homebrew creations will be everything that you have created through homebrew, which is fairly self-explanatory. Whereas homebrew collection is everything that you have created gets automatically added to your homebrew collection. Your homebrew collection will also include anything you have added to your collection from the shared public listings. But that requires a hero or master tier subscription to do. Sharing with members of your campaign doesn't require any subscriptions. So if I go over here and go to my campaign, so I created, this is my test account, sorry. There's no subscriptions on this account, but I created a campaign where I've got a character from this account and a character from my main account in this for sharing. So on my main account I have some, go back to collections, I have some feats here. So these are some homebrew feats. So just going to note something. And let's go this. There we go. So you can see that under my creations, I have created these 4 feats. Ones we'll be testing here are the ones I labeled HP sharing. This collection one is in both my collections and creations. HP sharing is only in my creations. Just a note, when you want to add or remove something from your collection, find it in your collection, and if you were to open it, you can see a button here, and you can either add to collection or remove from collection here. This feat here, Sorcerer Trick, is a published feat. It's shared to public listings. However, even though my test account doesn't have a subscription to view or add publicly shared feeds, you can see if I try to add to collection, I don't get to. However, if I go to feeds, manage feeds, let's go down to homebrew, you can see it is still there and I can still add it. No subscriptions required. You can also see that I have the collection version of the test feat, but not the creations version, because the creations version wasn't in the collection, and it's collections that get shared. It's a bit awkward to explain, but basically, whenever you create homebrew, it gets automatically added to your collection. You can remove from your collection and still have access to it through my creations. However, as I said before, everything in your collection will be automatically shared with everyone in the same campaign as you, as long as they have homebrew enabled. No subscriptions are required. This includes anything that you have added through publicly shared homebrew that you just added to your collection, as well as everything you have created and left in your collection. And that's just how it works. Sorry for a bit of an awkward video. This is my 4th attempt trying to make it, and I've been sick for, well, years now, which is why I haven't been made a video in like a few months. But anyway, that's how sharing works. At least public sharing in your campaign. Any questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks.